The religious laws are divided into two parts. Some of them are clearly defined and some of them are not clearly defined. When it comes to those issues and religious laws which are clearly defined, it is not necessary to follow a mujtahid. For example, we know that the Fajr prayer consists of 2 rakats or 2 units. So it's very clear. We know, for example, that prayer is wajib. There are 5 times obligatory prayers. And we know that fasting is obligatory. These are the general practical rules which are clearly defined and there is no ambiguity regarding those issues. But there are some issues and some religious laws which are not clearly defined, and in these areas we must follow a religious authority because we cannot be a mujtahid ourselves and we cannot have the ability to infer and extract Islamic laws from their sources such as the Quran and prophetic tradition. So we need to be either a mujtahid or we must follow a mujtahid himself. Now if we cannot be a mujtahid, that is very clear because it's neither necessary nor possible for everyone to be a mujtahid. So for those people who are not mujtahids, they have to follow a given religious authority, a certain religious authority who must be qualified for taqlid. And maybe there are some people who do not want to do taqlid. Of course, they have to exercise precaution. So there are 3 ways. Either one has to be a mujtahid, or he has to follow a mujtahid, or he must exercise precaution. And of course, exercising precaution is an uphill task. It is impossible because for someone who wants to exercise precaution, he must know where the precaution is and how he should exercise it. And the easiest way is to do taqlid of a mujtahid. That is the simplest and easiest way. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.